Hey there, and thank you for joining me on the Retro Game Couch. This is my trusty Amiga 500, and I used this in the previous Versus challenge that I recorded for the channel. It's another Versus challenge between Clemens and myself, in which we both have to use a machine from this era, the Amiga 500 era. And in order to be able to transfer data between my Amiga and my PC, I installed a Gotek drive inside my Amiga, which is very convenient. I could use USB pen drives to transfer the data, but if you install it like I did and you put the lid back on, then you actually can no longer use the USB port or see the LCD display. So what a lot of people do is cut the case here and here, which I didn't want to do, so I just left the top off, so like this. Now I posted a picture like this of my setup in an Amiga Facebook group, and this is the picture. And one of the members responded and said that you can actually 3D print a bracket that lets you properly fit a Gotek inside an Amiga 500. His name is Nick Lines, and he even offered to 3D print it for me, and he sent it to me for free. So Nick Lines, thank you very, very much. So this is the 3D bracket. Not really sure how that's gonna fit in. And he also sent this, which is really cool. It clips in the grooves of the Amiga here, and this is a little OLED display, and this is a little action switch which lets you switch between disk images without using the buttons on the front of the Gotek. Really awesome. So Nick, thank you very much. In this video we're going to install this inside my Amiga 500. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is get the old Gotek out. So let's start with that. So the bracket fits in like this, and then obviously we need to remove the Gotek from its case. So the wires go on like this. Nick was kind enough to group these 6 pins together with a little tape with a top. And this is for, these 2 cables are for the rotary switch, which go to these 2 pins. And then when we install it, it should all work. So let's test that out. Let me turn the power switch on. And yes, that works, and I can also select tracks. Okay, so the Gotek is fitted in now. All I need to do is remove this LED and these 2 switches because I don't need them, and they prevent the case from actually closing all the way down. So you need to feed the cables of the extension board through the floppy drive hole like this. So this is the mod completely installed, and I must say I'm really happy with the end result. And having the screen on top of the Amiga makes so much more sense than on the side. It makes my Amiga a lot more usable, so really awesome, really cool addition to my Amiga 500. And this is how it looks on the side. Very cool. So no Amigas were hurt in the process of this mod, just my Gotek. So for now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time on the Retro Game Couch.